Welcome to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on this 1979 Camaro Z28. And this one we're going to classify as just a nice driver quality car. It's got a good look, nice interior, but it's, you know, as we go around it up close, it's going to have some little nicks and chips, and that's what makes it just a nice driver. It does have some nice options though, with working ice cold factory air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, 354 barrel under the hood.
Yeah, it's a pretty good looking car, but as you can tell, I mean, this is original paint here. It definitely needs to be, you know, repainted to be show quality, but a nice driver cruise night quality car.
Yep.
And a real Z28.
And I'd say this condition is kind of more your typical muscle car that you run into. You know,
Yeah,
most cars
it is.
you see out are in this shape. I do really like the green Z28 stripes. I've never seen that before.
I've heard a lot of compliments on that. I was showing some people
really
a
cool.
different car here, and they walked by it, and they had a friend looking for something like this, and they really like the green too.
Yeah, it's neat. You know, you see the white with the black or something like that. Yeah. The green, I think, is so much better.
Yeah, it's sharp.
As we go around it, guys, oh, that's not even chips. It's little dust specks. But we do have some chips here. Little chip there, a couple little cracks.
It's got some quite a few of these little tiny cracks here above the eyebrow, and right in here too. It's hard to see. It's kind of cloudy, but right up in here too. It's just your typical little enduro
plastic
bumper.
Yep, bumpers. But
as we go around it, though, it really fits pretty decent.
Yeah, it does. Nice and straight car. And on our website, we do have a bunch of photos of the undercarriage. I encourage you to check those out. When I was underneath it, I thought frame, stuff like that looked real good and solid. This is a real Z28 as well, according to the cowl tag.
Looks like we got just a few little bubbles right here, a bunch of tiny little ones there. The paint's older. I mean, we're probably talking 10 to 15 years old in the paint at least. It's had a little bit of body work done here just on this corner, but it's not super thick. You know what I mean? It's nice and thin still. So the rest of the door jamb looks really nice. Rubbers are new.
Interior looks factory.
Yeah, very presentable. All window felts are good. Door panel's nice. Dash pad does have a couple cracks I noticed when I was sitting behind the wheel.
There's one of them right there.
Seats look to be 100% original. You can kind of tell by the stitching. You see how the stitching's just a little yellowed in it?
Yeah.
Not bad, but it looks original to me.
Yeah. Factory tack.
Want me to get that seat for you, D? Kind of check the back of the seat too. Definitely has original seat belt still.
Camera's giving me fits today. Back seat looks good. Got a couple 6x9s in the back package tray.
Should be adjusted a little better, and that'll
looks good.
reel up. Go ahead, D.
Trunk looks nice. You got your spare and jack back there. Like Chad said, there's older paint and stuff in the jams as well, but a couple of scuffs on the rear plastic bumper.
I reeled that seat belt in. Somebody did do that. It was twisted a little bit. Back bumper's got some scratches on it.
You have a little rise in the paint right there.
Yeah, it's a little bubble right there. What's it underneath look like? Under the trunk lid? Oh, look at that quick. Really decent, isn't it? All along here you can feel that seam.
Yeah.
Not sure why. Probably got a little moisture right here, just under that spoiler, probably. The biggest thing with this one, the reason I got it, it's just a good solid car and it runs and drives nice.
Got a little bubble right there by that dog leg there.
See, this corner of the door is pretty original. That's almost perfect there. See, you can see the original metal there. Looks like the driver's seat's in good shape as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
From the driver's seat,
nice.
looks like it might have been redone. You know what I
Yes.
mean? They could have been redone. It's just always hard to say. Headliner's nice. Dome light works.
Love the steering wheels on the 79s.
Yeah. I'll let you get the front fender and stuff as you go around here.
Headlines up good. Z28 Rally Wheels.
It's going to be 80 degrees here tomorrow.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Then it drops down to 47 of the high on Sunday. It's just crazy. Iowa weather. Car's got 99,006 miles on the odometer. Guessing that's original miles, but always hard to tell on that.
Tack works.
Yep, tack works. Gas gauge works. Volt gauge works. We're charging at 14 volts. Heater works. We're going to keep it on the heat right now, but AC works too. Here, I just took the engine down right there. And we did charge the AC. The AC blows cold. Wipers work. Yeah. Horn worked when I first got in here.
Relay stuff
once.
fixed.
Yeah. What else we got? We got the radio. That work here. Let's see.
We always say we're going to turn the radios on
I
before we
usually
start the
do,
video.
but I didn't. I checked everything else. Looks like the radio does not work.
Runs good, good power.
It does run pretty good for a 79.
Yeah.
Brakes feel nice. Nice firm pedal. Go through the gears once. I said there's all kinds of different conditions, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, overly restored ones, nice restored, or just good original drivers, and that's what this is, you know?
Yeah.
Speedometer works good. Right now the speedometer says about 70 mile an hour. It goes perfectly straight down the road. RPM 3,000 is probably at like 373 gears, I'm guessing.
Car handles really well.
Yeah, we'll go back through it and start from mid to top here too. Now that I got it in drive. High-speed braking's nice. Steering feels good. Temperature gauge is coming up as well. That just came off the 100. Is about 125. So all of the factory gauges are working except for the clock. Like I said, the radio, as of right now, doesn't work. But it's easy to change out.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the hard work's done. It's already got the
Yeah,
mount
now you
and
can put whatever deck you want in there.
Not a powerhouse, but runs pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Transmission
Super well.
shifts fine.
It's a neat old 1979 Z28. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test.